So it says first question is how many cups in a pint? Easy measurement question. Again, most of these measurement questions are pretty easy, in my opinion, just because you basically have to memorize like a conversion chart, and you're basically set for all of these questions they throw at you. So it says how many. So I'm looking for cups in a pint here, and again, we're working in the imperial system. Sorry. So we have a list of, we know our conversion charts, right? So we know that 1 gallon here is 2 quarts. This is from the biggest unit, which is the gallon, and I'm going down to the smallest. So 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. We know that 1 quart here equals 2 pints, and that 1 pint equals 2 cups. And again, actually what we can do is we can actually stop here, right? We don't really care about the cups to fluid ounces, because it's asking us, the question is asking us how many cups in a pint. Well, I know that 1 pint here equals 2 cups, right? So it means I have my answer already. I don't need to do any conversions already, because this is simply just 1 pint equals 2 cups as stated on this conversion chart. If it was asking us how many cups in 2 pints or in 3 pints, or or 3 cups is how many pints, then we would have to do some type of conversion chart. However, we don't need to do a conversion chart because we don't need to do a conversion or any math, to be honest, just because it's already given to us. We know that it's stated that 1 pint here equals 2 cups. So here, this is our correct answer. So again, in a pint there are 2 cups. So solution here is correct. Good analysis. A lot of this solution is mostly just examples. There's just a lot of examples of the problems here. But again, you don't have to, you basically know the table, and you can kind of figure out this answer just by inspection, and there's no really multiplication you have to do or unit analysis that you need to do to get the correct answer here. So solution here is correct.